Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely beautiful, creative and DIY in itself, because in this video I am sharing very beautiful, creative and artistic design ideas of 3D hand embroidery flowers that are composed on only one embroidery stitch, that is picot flower, picot embroidery or picot embroidery. Friends, all of these patterns are extremely eye-catchy. They represent a 5D view of the hand embroidery patterns. So if you are new or you are a beginner of hand embroidery and you are in search of something extremely beautiful and something extremely eye-catchy, then please go for it and watch my video till end so that you could get amazing, stylish and trendy ideas. But before going, I have simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now friends, one more thing, that which type of embroidery thread can be used to make these flowers? Then the answer to this question is very simple and easy, that is, you can use wool for making these patterns, anchor, DMC or any type of silky thread as well. So where you can design these patterns, you can design these very beautiful, easy to make hand embroidery patterns for designing your cushion covers, pillow covers, your shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts, your denim jackets, your jeans, your pants, your denim fabric, your denim shirts, your cardigans or hand knitted stuff like cardigans, ponchos, overcoats, sweaters, round necks, turtlenecks and many more creative accessories like mobile covers, like glasses covers onto your face mask, and many more creative handbags, as well as for the designing of your baby girls frocks, yokes. So this was all for today. Hope you liked the content and you have liked all my designs. Meet you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, take care.